Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Question number 3, part D is 9 plus 5x minus x squared. So we need to write down in this form a minus x plus b whole square. So the constant value we will keep same because we will apply in the second two terms the completing square method, but the leading term should we should write first. So we will write it here minus x squared plus 5x. The second thing is the coefficient of the leading term should be positive. So we will take the minus common, or we will factor out the minus, so it will be x squared minus 5x. Now we will apply in parentheses completing square method. So for completing square method we will use the formula, which is x plus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. Now what is the b by 2? B is the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is minus 5. It would be minus 5 by 2. So here now we will substitute the values in formula. Outside the bracket the values will remain same, only we will apply the completing square method in parentheses. So now the variable is x, so this x we will keep same. Then plus b by 2, so b by 2 we got minus 5 by 2, then whole square. After that minus b by 2, so it would be minus 5 by 2 whole square. Now again 9 minus and then x minus 5 by 2 whole square. Then here is minus 5 by 2, but the square of minus would be plus, so the 25 by 4. And now we will multiply the minus sign together with with the values which are inside the parentheses. So it would be minus x minus 5 by 2 whole square, then minus minus makes plus, so 25 by 4. Now 25 by 4 and the 9 both are constant values, so we will write together to rearrange the terms. So here it would be 9 plus 25 by 4, then minus x minus 5 by 2 whole square, which is the completing square. Now we will not change this, only we will work out for on the first two terms. So here there is no denominator, it means it would be a 1. So we need to make the same denominator to add the values. So it means here we will multiply with the 4 and divide it by 4 to make the same denominators. Now it would be here 9 times 4 is 36 divided by 4, then plus 25 divided by 4 minus x minus 5 by 2 whole square. After that we have to add now values. So if the denominators are same, we will just write the top values together. So here it would be 36 plus 25 divided by only 4. The denominator we will write once. Then minus x minus 5 by 2 whole square. 36 plus 25. It would be the 61 over 4 minus x minus 5 by 2 whole square, which is our required form. So we got the value of a is 61 over 4 and the value of b we got minus 5 by 2. So here this is our same form which was required, a minus x plus b by 2. So a we got 61 by 4 and as b we got minus 5 by 2.